In this video, I'll be talking to you about research proposal. Why prepare a research proposal? Why is it important that a student has to prepare a research proposal, and without it, they are not allowed to begin their research or to start investigating the problem that they intend to address? The fact of the matter is that without adequate preparation, nothing can be achieved. For you to achieve something good in life, you need to prepare. The same thing applies to research. Without adequate preparation, the research cannot be successful. Therefore, the research proposal is important because it is that which tells the examiner, the supervisor, the committee, your preparedness as to whether you have prepared enough to be able to go about the work. Do you know that in some institutions, a lot of students are not able to complete their thesis? They are not able to complete and they drop out. And no institution is happy about that. And so it is important for the institution to ensure that students have prepared adequately and they have what it takes to go about their research. And so the research proposal is intended to tell us about how prepared you are. Aside that, it also tells us what you intend to do in order to solve the problem. You have a problem, you have prepared enough, you have bought some books, you have done some initial literature review, but what are the steps that you are going to undertake? So again, the research proposal will tell whether you have identified steps in terms of methodology to be able to go about the research. At the same time, the research proposal has a component that tells us about the work plan. How good or how feasible is the research plan? The research plan, I mean the work plan, how you have scheduled the work. So these and many more are the reasons why you need the research proposal. And they are the reasons why without the research proposal, one would not be allowed to begin their research. Let me end this video with an outline of the elements that constitute a research proposal. It is important for me to indicate right at this point that each institution has a way they go about it. And so the elements that I'm going to mention and the order in which I'll mention them may vary from institution to institution. But it is important for us to go through them so that you contextualize what is important to you in that institution of yours and do what is expected of you. And so I'll run through them, then later I'll pick them one after the other to explain what each of them is. The first one is the research topic. The research proposal must indicate the topic or the title of the research. At that point, it is still the proposed research topic or the proposed research title. So again, it is not finalized at that point in time. So take note of that. Then there is also the background to the study. The background to the study. I'll talk about what these terms or these expressions mean later in separate videos. So keep watching this channel, subscribe, and also share the link. Then justification of the research. Justification of the research is also another aspect or component of a research proposal. We also have motivation. What is motivating you to conduct this research? It is also there. Then we have a statement of the research problem. We have another one which is research questions. Then aims, objectives, and purpose of the research. We have research hypothesis, significance of the research. Then we also have research design and methodology. Research design and methodology. We have limitations and delimitations, the two constituting the scope of the research. We have literature review. We have organization of the study or organization of the research. We have definition of terms. Then we have ethical considerations. Then we have bibliography and the timetable for the research or the work plan.